Ancient Egypt has always captivated the modern imagination. The grandeur of its monuments, the intricacy of its hieroglyphs, and the mystery of its rituals continue to fascinate us. Among the most intriguing aspects of ancient Egyptian culture are the rituals that permeated every aspect of life. These ceremonies, often conducted in majestic temples adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant paintings, offered a glimpse into the Egyptians' relationship with the divine. The Egyptians believed that through specific rituals, they could communicate with their gods, ensure the fertility of their land, and navigate the journey to the afterlife. These rituals were not mere performances, but deeply symbolic acts. Every element, from the gestures of the priests to the ingredients used in offerings, carried profound meaning. This essay delves into the heart of two such elements central to Egyptian ritual practice, Kemet and Kyphi. We will explore their individual significance and their interconnected roles in facilitating spiritual transformation and divine communication. Through this exploration, we hope to shed light on the depth and complexity of Egyptian ritual life and its enduring impact on our understanding of this ancient civilization. The ancient Egyptians called their land Kemet, meaning the Black Land, a reference to the fertile black soil deposited by the annual flooding of the Nile River. This rich soil was the lifeblood of Egypt, making it possible to cultivate crops and sustain a large population. The color black, therefore, held deep symbolic significance for the Egyptians. It represented fertility, abundance, and the life-giving power of the Nile. Kemet was not merely a geographical location, but a sacred concept. The Egyptians believed that their land was divinely created and favored by the gods. The pharaoh, considered a living god, was responsible for maintaining the cosmic order and ensuring the land's continued fertility. This intimate connection between the land, the divine, and the pharaoh underscores the Egyptians' deep spiritual relationship with their environment. Central to Egyptian rituals was the use of incense, particularly a blend known as Kyphi. This aromatic substance, made from a complex recipe of herbs, resins, and spices, was more than just a pleasant fragrance. It was considered a sacred offering, believed to carry prayers to the gods and purify the air within temples. The exact recipe for Kyphi varied over time and place, but some ingredients remained consistent: honey, raisins, myrrh, frankincense, and juniper berries. Each component was carefully chosen for its specific properties and symbolic meaning. For example, frankincense, with its sweet, pungent aroma, was associated with divinity and used to invoke the presence of the gods. Section 4. Cannabis in Ancient Egypt, Evidence and Speculation. The inclusion of psychoactive substances in Kyphi recipes has been a subject of much scholarly debate. Some researchers believe that cannabis, known for its intoxicating effects, may have been one of the secret ingredients in Kyphi. While conclusive evidence is still lacking, there are tantalizing clues that suggest its use in ancient Egypt. Traces of cannabis pollen have been found in some Egyptian tombs and temples, suggesting that the plant was known and possibly used in ritual contexts. Furthermore, some ancient Egyptian medical texts mention a substance with similar properties to cannabis, used to treat pain and inflammation. While these findings do not definitively prove the inclusion of cannabis in Kyphi, they certainly invite further investigation into the role of psychoactive substances in Egyptian ritual practices. Section 5. Symbolism and Transformation, Kemet and Kyphi. Both Kemet and Kyphi were deeply embedded in the symbolic language of ancient Egyptian rituals. Kemet, the Black Land, represented the fertile ground from which life sprang forth, a tangible manifestation of the gods' creative power. Kyphi, the sacred incense, served as a bridge between the earthly and divine realms, carrying prayers and offerings to the heavens. The act of burning Kyphi was itself symbolic of transformation. As the incense burned, its fragrant smoke rose towards the sky, symbolizing the ascent of prayers and the purification of the temple space. This transformation echoed the Egyptians' belief in the power of rituals to effect change, both in the physical and spiritual realms. Section 6. The Ritual Landscape of Ancient Egypt. Ancient Egyptian temples, with their towering pylons, vast courtyards, and dimly lit sanctuaries, served as the stage for these elaborate rituals. Imagine the scene: priests, clad in white linen robes, move with measured steps through the temple, their voices echoing ancient prayers. The air is thick with the scent of Kyphi, its sweet smoky aroma permeating every corner. Offerings of food, drink, and precious objects are laid before the statues of the gods, seeking their favor and blessings. Through these rituals, the Egyptians reaffirmed their connection to the divine, ensuring the continued fertility of Kemet and the harmonious balance of the cosmos. Section 7. Conclusion: Echoes of Ancient Wisdom. The rituals of ancient Egypt, with their intricate symbolism and profound spiritual significance, offer us a glimpse into a world where the boundaries between the physical and the divine were fluid. Kemet, the Black Land, and Kyphi, the sacred incense, stand as powerful symbols of this worldview, representing the interconnectedness of life, death, and the cosmos. While much of ancient Egyptian knowledge remains shrouded in mystery, the echoes of their wisdom continue to resonate through the ages. By studying their rituals and beliefs, we gain a deeper appreciation for the human search for meaning and connection with something greater than ourselves. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Kemet and Kyphi, we unlock not only ancient secrets, but also profound truths about ourselves and our place in the universe.